This 2026 Thor Motor Coach Resonate 32B is a Class A RV. It is located in Lexington, South Carolina, 29072 and is offered for sale by Blue Compass RV Columbia. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Thor Motor Coach is 33 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 8, Slideout, and 50 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features Bunk Over Cab, Bunkhouse, outdoor entertainment, rear bedroom. This 2026 Thor Motor Coach Resonate 32B is built on a Ford F53 chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.